guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you new here, my name is Preet Barang. So today's video is going to be another shopping haul video. तो जो भी मैं आज शेयर करने वाली हूँ मैंने रिसेंटली बिल्कुल इमीडिएट अभी ही नहीं ख़रीदा है. अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा पुराना क्लॉथिंग हॉल का वीडियो देखा है तो उसमें मैंने पहले ही बताया था दैट आई हैव प्री ऑर्डर्ड फ्यू थिंग्स बट वो डिलीवर नहीं हुआ था, तो मैं उसका पार्ट 2 बनाऊँगी. सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ क्लॉथिंग haul video. Just in case you want to watch my part 1, the direct link is mentioned down below, and also it's somewhere here. You can directly click on that link and it will take you to my part 1 of this clothing haul video. So let's get started. So today's video is going to be a part 2 of a clothing haul video. Whatever the items which I ordered previously वो finally अब मेरे पास आ चुके हैं. So I'm really excited to share with you guys जो भी मैंने ख़रीदा है. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First thing which I got is this beautiful long dress, and it has these buttons here. इसका जो color है वो थोड़ा royal blue color का है, and it has this flower prints over here which is beautiful for your summer. आप इसको summer में springs में पहन सकते हो. इसका कपड़ा बहुत comfortable है. I bought it from Shein for about $16. And another thing which I got is this polka dot jumpsuit from Shein, and this retails for something about $15. It has you can easily fit into this dress. It has a little chain thing from the back which is very easily आप इसको बंद कर सकते हो और आपको किसी की हेल्प की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. You can do it yourself and the quality is really good, and this is little in the balloon shape. जो इसकी sleeves है वो थोड़ी balloon shape में है, and आगे से ये थोड़ा सा you can call it like a half O or half C. इसका जो neck है वो उस shape में है, and then from back it is into a U shape. Third thing which I got is this fitted bodycon dress from Shein, which also retails for something about like $15, and it has a little nude color. इसमें बहुत सारे colors available थे, but I really like this color, like specifically this color. And then it has this little thing on its I think on the right hand side, so that it's give you a really nice fit, and it's a bodycon dress. The quality is really amazing, and the length is थोड़ी सी आपके नी से नीचे की लेंथ है, but that's how I like it. Like मुझे ज़्यादा शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस नहीं पसंद है, मुझे उतनी लेंथ की ड्रेसेस ज़्यादा पसंद है. एंड ये स्लीवलेस है, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है, शीन से है, एंड देन बहुत सारे कलर्स में अवेलेबल है. आई हैव गॉट द साइज़ M इन दिस, जो कि थोड़ा सा मुझे ढीला है. आई शुड हैव गॉट साइज़ स्मॉल, बट विद शीन इट्स यूजली लाइक थोड़ा साइज़ वेरी करता है, इस वजह से मैंने साइज़ मीडियम मंगवाया है. बट इट्स अ रियली ग्रेट ड्रेस. Next thing which I got is this tie and dye tea style dress. ये थोड़ी सी लूज़ है, but it's a really comfortable dress. You can also, अगर आपको इसको अपनी थोड़ी बॉडी फिटेड करना है, you can wear a belt, और मे बी आप corset के साथ इसको पहन सकते हो. But this is like a tea dress, and it has this tie and dye pattern which is so in right now. I got this dress in the size small. अगर मैं extra small में भी मंगवाती तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा होता है, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ी सी ढीली है. But anyways, it's a really comfortable dress. The quality is really good, and which I got is this graphic print jumpsuit. It has these beautiful colors of nude and white and black, and this is the jumpsuit. Very good fit. I bought this in the size small. It also has a little chain from the back, and very easily आप इसको पहन सकते हो. बहुत ही comfortable dress है. इसके साथ pockets भी हैं दोनों side, और एक belt भी है for a good fit. I really liked it, and आगे से इसका neck is not deep, and even from the back it's not deep. You can also use this dress for your official meetings, or if you're going for any particular official event, you can use this for that as well. And other than that, I really like the fit. The fit was really good, और ज़्यादा लंबी भी नहीं है ड्रेस, आपके नॉर्मल नी से थोड़ा सा नीचे तक की ड्रेस है. So really like this dress. Another thing which I got this all over wrap skirt. It's in a cheetah print, और ये आपकी wrap around skirt है. And then I really like the skirt. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे frills type of इफेक्ट भी आ रहा है स्कर्ट में. आई रियली लाइक द क्वालिटी. अभी तक मैंने इसको बाहर नहीं पहना है, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ वन यूनिवर्सल साइज़. इसमें कोई साइज़ नहीं है, एंड इट रिटेल्स फॉर समथिंग अबाउट $14, and really like the quality. This beautiful blazer from Zara which retails for about $89. You can almost say $90, और ये size extra small में है. The thing which I got is this blue culottes jeans from Zara which can give you a little palazzo shape, right? तो ऊपर से ये straight है and then नीचे से थोड़ा सा खुली palazzo type आपको effect देगी. I really like the color though, and ये है around $39 की, and the size which I bought is size 6 which is a waist 28 from Zara. Really liked it. थोड़ी सी मुझे ढीली है but I really liked the fit. The fit was really good. Again this is a really long jeans but I am not going to cut this off क्योंकि पहले भी मैंने Zara से एक jeans ली और उसको मैंने काट दिया तो वो short हो गई. But anyways it looks really good. But इसको मैं नहीं काटूँगी, मैं इसको heels के साथ पहनती हूँ. It looks really beautiful. और ये high waist jeans है, quality बहुत अच्छी है इस jeans की. Another thing which I got is this basic red dress from Zara जो कि sale पे थी and it retails for $12. ये originally $25, $25.90 की थी but I got it for about $13 तो मुझे सेल पे मिल गया. Another thing which I got from Zara are these pair of sandals. ये similar है जो मैंने last time लिए थे उससे, बस color difference है. Last time I took in the color silver but this time I took in gold and it has more inches of heels. पुराने वाले में it had like 2.2 inches of heel, तो इसलिए अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा part 1 नहीं देखा है so make sure you guys go ahead and watch my part 1 and then you will understand the part 2 video. So bought these pair of sandals. It's in the color gold और इसकी जो heels हैं it's about like 4 to 5 inches long and really fancy. I really like the जिस तरीके से इसका heels का design है and I'm wearing this in the size 37 and this retails for $49. Another thing which I bought is this pair of sandals from Zara and it retails for $49. ये बहुत ही प्यारा nude color है और pencil heels हैं इसमें which is about 3.5 inches of heels. Very comfortable to wear. मैंने बाहर अभी इसको नहीं पहना है but मैंने घर में ही पहन के देखा था. It is very comfortable. It's in the size 37 and it retails for something about $49. But really good. The quality is really good. Even if you talk about these chain design here, it is really good. I like the quality so much. So on to the next items जो मैंने खरीदे हैं. So first I'm going to talk about this a very nice palette from Amazon. It's a glitter and star palette. So as you guys know, I'm a makeup artist. I usually need them for creating different looks, so that's why I bought this. So this retails for $12. Now this palette has all the multicolor gemstones, stars, but this one has everything in silver and then it also has this pen included with this package जो help करेगा आपके इनको pick करने में और drop करने में और place करने में जहाँ भी आपको place करना है. So the quality is really good and I would highly recommend if you guys are makeup artists and even if you are a nail artist and you're looking for something similar, you can definitely check this out and it retails for $12. Thing which I bought is this Vortex 4 different types of eyeliner brushes और ये बहुत ही precise है. इनका जो shape है और जो आगे tip है वो बहुत ही pointed है which is really good when I'm creating different looks. I need such type of brushes to precise or define my the whatever thing I'm creating on my face, so that's why I ordered them. This retails for something about $10 to $12. Another thing which I got is a world famous gel eyeliner and I got this eyeliner in the jet black, which Inglot eyeliner, and it is in the jet black which retails for something about $24 to $30. I'm not sure about the price. It's the best gel eyeliner in the world. Smudge proof है, बहुत easily apply कर सकते हो और जल्दी जाता नहीं है. So I'm really excited to try out this one. Another thing which I got is this shade, so which is a really classy chic shades जो कि है brand Musanin से. I don't know how you pronounce this but ये jet black color के shades है. It retails for something about $12. The quality is really amazing. The thing which I got is this pair of white glasses from Shein which is a little broad on my face but anyways I really like. Quality अच्छी है. It only retails for like $4 to $5. Alright guys, so that was all about today's part 2 shopping haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Just in case you guys are interested in buying out anything from these products, उसके direct link नीचे mentioned है. And if in case you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below and do let me know. I can answer your questions. So that was all about today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video. But till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.